my mom to rate my fidgets first.
Nice. I believe 7.
7, and what's the name?
Elephant puppet.
Okay. You can do the other side if you want. There's still some on the other side.
Okay, I give it a 6. It's
A 6.
How do you say paleta? Paleta puppet.
I guess that works. Paleta is
Lollipop.
lollipop.
Okay?
Popsicle.
Popsicle. Popsicle.
I can't believe I forgot the name. Okay, this is a good one.
Okay.
It's not that fast. Or is this not satisfying?
It was satisfying for me to do it like that.
Don't do it like that or else it's going to break. That's satisfying.
I will give it an 8.
8? Okay. I have the fidget over here. Next.
Oh, this is called the stretchy straw.
Stretchy straw. Okay. Over there. This is a good one.
Okay.
You like these.
I'll give it a 5.
A 5?
A 5. A 5, and it's called the squishy bread.
A squishy bread. Okay. Okay, here is another one.
Oh, okay. Can I repeat numbers?
Yeah.
I believe
It's
this
also
is
a
Oh, okay. It goes to
now because of that.
because of that, I give it an 8.
What were you gonna give it?
Like a 4.
What?
A 5.
But you love puppets.
Yeah, it's called the flower puppet. Flower fidget spinner puppet. Okay?
Put that down. Alright, so I'm gonna leave this one for last because it's pretty cool.
I don't like it.
What?
For me, it's a 2.
Let me show you how to use it. Hold the camera. It's really satisfying when you move it like that, and you can also do this. I know you can't do that in your seat, but it's really satisfying for me.
The sound sounds cool.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
I'll give it a 2.
A 2?
Yes.
What do you think it's called?
The warm slimy worm.
Slimy worm.
This is the cube.
Okay, what do you rate it?
Okay, let me see. Okay.
It's also kind of satisfying of the noise.
I would give it
I think it's really satisfying.
I would give it a 5.
A 5, really?
Yeah.
All right. This is. Wait, I forgot a fidget. Okay, just use that one. What are you doing?
Limpiándolo para que se vea más bonito. Ooh, I like it. It's satisfying to look at.
It's very satisfying. Watch it like go on the bottom. It's like you can also put it side to side.
You can see this color. You can do this. For this, I give it a 10.
You give this a 10?
Yes.
First 10, yay!
This is my favorite.
Really?
So far.
So far? All right, there's one more fidget.
Okay.
I'm gonna go grab it. I don't think she's gonna like this one. I just don't think she's gonna like it. Oh, there it is. See if she likes this mochi. See if she likes this mochi. Panda mochi. Okay.
Okay.
Squish it.
I don't like it.
What?
The same way I don't like this one.
Why?
It's something I don't like.
It's like a jelly type of
a
thing.
jelly panda.
Can I feel it? So,
I'll give it a 5.
really, it's better than the other one. That one is a 2. So, let's just...
Number 10.
What do you think it's called?
Oh, the timeless water, I don't know. The timeless waterfall.
Okay. What do you think this is called?
The slimy panda.
Okay, so I am going to tell you the names. So this is a poppet. You were correct. Yes, it's an elephant poppet, to be exact. This is a popsicle poppet.
Which I was right too.
Yeah? This, what did you say it was?
The squishy bread.
It's a squishy, yeah.
Oh, this was one of my favorites.
Okay.
The fidget flower puppet.
To be exact, it is a dimple fidget spinner.
Oh, okay. This I don't want to touch.
Okay, this is a monkey noodle.
Monkey noodle. Okay, not a worm.
No, it's not a worm. And what did you say this was called again?
The slimy panda.
Yes. It's not. Slimy panda, it's not even slimy. It is a panda mochi.
Okay.
And we'll give that one last. What did you, stretchy straw, right?
Stretchy straw.
It's actually called a poppet tube. Okay.
I think my name is better. A stretchy straw.
I think that's a better idea. Now, this one, what do you call it? The cube thingy?
The cube thingy.
Okay, it's actually called a cube maze.
And the best of all, the timeless waterfall.
It's a waterworks.
Waterworks.
Fidget
as
toy.
she said. And you're missing the biggest of all fidgets.
What's your favorite?
You're missing the biggest of all fidgets.
Did I get this yesterday or today? I forgot.
Today.
Oh, I got this today.
Remember you have this in a huge size.
I do have that in a huge size. It's over there in my room. So, thank you guys for watching. Bye!